Are you unknowingly throwing money down the drain? Ignoring lead qualification might be the silent killer of your business growth. Stick around because I'm about to reveal the hidden cost and the one tool that can fix it all fast. Hi, I'm Tony Koenig, and I work with business owners just like you to help you streamline your sales processes and maximum your growth. I have been in digital marketing and marketing automations since 2008. I own my own company and this YouTube channel, Scaling Founder. Today, I'll show you why lead qualification is the backbone of a thriving business and how the right CRM can transform your operations. Let's talk about numbers. Everybody loves numbers. Did you know that businesses lose up to 79% of their potential revenue because they fail to qualify leads properly? That's like leaving your best opportunities on the table while chasing cold prospects. Ignoring this crucial step leads to wasted time, ineffective sales processes, and frustrated teams. We recently did a database reactivation for a dentist that had about 5,000 past patients, and they never contacted them. So we created a nice offer. We brought them in for a teeth whitening at a much reduced price, and we sent it to the 5,000 list. And what we had was that 1%. It sounds like nothing of the list actually booked appointments. Now do the math yourself. 1%. That is 50. It's not a lot, but 50 new appointments from old clients in 1 month, old patients. And you times that with $1,000, $2,000, and more, because a lot of new cases resulted from that. And you can imagine for yourself the windfall that this was for this practice. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about your leads and why segmentation is important. Why you need to categorize your leads based on interest, their buying potential, and engagement. You can focus on the leads that actually matter. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Imagine saving hours a week by prioritizing only the hottest leads. Think about it. Would you rather spend hours chasing 50 random leads or focus on 10 qualified leads ready to buy? Have you ever heard about your Dream 100? There's a very interesting story about I can't remember the gentleman's name now, but he worked for Charlie Munger. They had a whole bunch of advertising magazines and thousands of advertisers. Eventually, this gentleman honed in on the top 100 clients because most of their revenue were coming from these guys. He scrapped the rest. He only focused on the top 100, and he built that top 100 in this magazine into a multi-million-dollar success story. So do not disregard how important working with the right lead and the right client and patient is. So in today's market, speed is everything. Studies show that following up within the first 5 minutes increase conversion rates by over 400%. Yes, you did not hear wrong, 400%. That is why having a CRM tool that allows you to follow up within seconds can boost your chances of closing deals by 90%. You need to get to the client first. You need to get to the lead first. If you do not, every 30 minutes that you don't respond to that lead, your chances of doing business diminishes. If you get back with it a day later, the chances are very good that that lead is not there anymore. So, if you're ready to stop losing leads, stop losing money, and start converting more, schedule a call with me today to see the CRM and how it can work for you. I'll walk you through step by step. The link to my calendar is in the bottom, in the description. So remember, every unqualified lead is a missed opportunity. With the right strategies and tools in place, you can turn chaos into control and missed chances into measurable growth. If you're serious about scaling your business, book a call with me today and let's turn your leads into loyal customers. Remember to like and share this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. I'd highly appreciate that. Click the link in the bottom, book a call with me, and I will see you in the next video.